What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create and share a Discord server link, right? And on top of that, you're going to learn how to customize your own link to your specific need. So what you want to do, find the Discord server that you want to share, just simply right click on it and you want to click on invite people. So once you click on invite people, you can go ahead and start to invite the persons them that you want, or the frequent people that you speak to, or if you knew somebody, you can just simply start to search for those person by searching for their username, and it will start to populate, find them, and you can invite them. Now if you want to customize this a bit before sharing this link, below the link you'll find edit invite link, so click on that and you can make changes to that. Now let's say I don't want this to be 7 days, but I just want this to be maybe never, right, never expire, or I want to change the maximum user from no limit to 10 persons or 25, I can do that. What if I also want to make the link temporary, that whenever someone actually log out, it temporary. Whenever someone use the link to sign in, once they log out, they're no longer able to log back in. I can simply go ahead and turn this feature on as well and click and create a new link. And this is going to give me a new link, and this is going to be the new link. And I just need to click and copy that link and share it. And that's it. The person will be able to join the server and they will be able to use the link with that specification that I've made to it. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. At any point in time you want to change this, you can always go back and make the changes to whatever you want. It's really up to you. And once you basically have those new changes that you have set, you can always go ahead and click again generate link, and it's going to generate a brand new link with a new specification that you want. But that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.